First of all, we would like to thank you for purchasing a Capri electric bike. This assembly video is valid for both the Capri Metz and the Capri Azur. Although the frame changes, the assembly steps are exactly the same. If you have questions or do not understand anything, please consult the customer service center of Capri Bikes or a bicycle mechanic. To assemble and adjust your bicycle properly, we suggest that you seek professional assistance. Before you begin, check whether you have all necessary tools: monkey wrench or open-end wrench of 10, 13 by 14. Allen wrenches of 6. The bicycle comes with packaging specially designed to prevent damage during transport. It is essential to preserve this packaging and the original box during at least 100 days. Take the bicycle out of the box, remove all seals and protèges. Be sure to remove the accessory box as well. Release the wheel. Release the handlebars. Move the handlebars into position. Turn the fork. Loosen the light and position it upwards. Tighten it just a little. Fit the front wheel. Fit the front disc brake caliper. Make sure to tighten the brake well. It is an important safety feature. Fit the front mudguard. For this you need to loosen the front light. Position the front light and tighten it. Fit the front mudguard rods. Now adjust the handlebars, brakes and derailleur. Make sure the grips are tightened securely. Pedals. Screw in the pedals, paying careful attention to these directions. The right pedal, labeled with an R, is screwed on clockwise. The left pedal, labeled with an L, is screwed on counterclockwise. Warning: the pedals have a specific position and are screwed on in different directions. Do not attempt to insert them using force, since they could be damaged or could damage other components. Initially, only gentle turning is required, and they can be inserted by hand. Install the saddle on the seat post and tighten the seat post to the desired height. We invite you to read the manual carefully, and to follow all our safety and maintenance advice. We are at your disposal for anything you may need. We wish you a lot of fun with your new Capri bike.